China is at the head of the AI business, so today we are going to explore all the exciting revolutions at the 2024 WAIC conference, World Artificial Intelligence Conference in China. Trust me, when I say this, you will be surprised by the unveiling. So now, let's dive into the latest advancements in AI, groundbreaking innovations, and transformative technology. The future is here at WAIC 2024. This conference was held in Shanghai, China, with a mind-blowing total of 45 robots, some of which were humanoid robots. The conference showcased the most influential people from around the world. Around 500 companies attended this conference, including Elon Musk. Tesla's robot was also showcased, along with many more exciting robots, some of which we will discuss today. Here's a list of robotic innovations that were presented to the public. Healthy Loong QINGLONG. Such an exciting name, isn't it? It is an open-source humanoid robot presented by the National and Local Co-Construction Humanoid Robot Innovation Center. But here's the most exciting part. The chief scientist at the Innovation Center titled the robot Healthy Loong, as 2024 is the year of the dragon. Zhang aims to create one new humanoid robot each year, which is an interesting and unique gesture. Other Chinese companies, including Unitree Robotics, Leju Robotics, Data Robotics, Fourier, Robot Era, Jiwan, and Kepler, presented their robots as well. Optimus Gen 2 robot. Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot was also presented to the public. This model had better balance and an increased walking speed compared to the previous model. It also had better control as well. The CEO of Unitree Robotics said that we needed more humanoid robots as compared to AI. He wanted to stress the importance of physical robots that could interact with the world at large. These robots could also act like human beings and understand human emotions. AI-powered driverless cars and air taxis, the future of transportation. Driverless cars were also shown to the public from Pony.AI and the SAIC AI lab. Demos also took place, captivating the audience. These demos included the cars driving through some harsh road conditions, navigating perfectly. Some models are even ready to work in the city. Of all the inventions of our time, I must say that driverless cars are my absolute favorite. WAIC 2024 also introduced a game-changing transportation, Autoflight's air taxi drone. These air taxis can easily accommodate up to 5 people, so get ready to take your family for a ride, because flying cars can be the future. That's all I wanted from this AI revolution, honestly. Large models and AI transforming everyday life. A model prepared by SenseTime can cause photos to come to life and can create videos while animating the facial expressions in photos. Besides this, Alipay's Smart Assistant can assist with tasks easily with input from users. Also, a large screen showed a humanoid robot climbing the Great Wall, which attracted huge recognition. AI PCs were also presented to the public by Microsoft. Don't you wish you were present in the public? I sure do. Robots revolutionizing healthcare. WAIC also presented some cool robots that could change healthcare. Some models could help in diagnosing diseases and also help in surgery. Hospitals are already implementing robot-assisted surgery. Robots are a necessity in healthcare, especially for providing care for the elderly. Medical robots displayed at the event tell us about the use of AI in improving efficiency in healthcare, as well as patient outcomes. Medical robots can improve the quality of life of people, especially the elderly. Robots from companies like Jiwan and Fourier showed how AI-driven devices are used in hospitals to do tasks such as surgeries and even monitor patients' health in real time. Collaboration with global AI leaders. Chinese companies were not alone in showing their innovations. Global AI leaders like Google, NVIDIA, and Microsoft also participated, showing their latest AI technologies and discussing future partnerships with Chinese companies. NVIDIA, known for its famous AI hardware, introduced its latest AI chips and GPUs, graphics processing units, that are of use in applications nowadays. These AI systems are important for robotics and machine learning. NVIDIA's partnership with Chinese companies, especially in the field of autonomous vehicles and smart cities, was important. Microsoft's AI enterprise solutions are designed to transform business operations worldwide. The future of AI is changing right before our eyes, and WAIC 2024 is proof that China and global tech leaders are pushing boundaries like never before. Want to stay ahead of the curve and witness the AI revolution firsthand? Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on groundbreaking AI innovations and AI robots. Don't miss out. Hit that notification bell and be the first to know about the next big leap in AI and robotics.